Hey world.
Ooh, should I put some of this on my collarbone? Let's do it. Boom, 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 boom. Boom!
Hello, welcome back or welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be playing around with some makeup. I'm super excited. I'm going to try and keep doing more makeup looks, mainly because I want to use up the makeup that I've got so I can buy new products, but I don't want to buy new things until I really use the stuff that I've already got. Let's just jump straight into it. I'm going to pin my hair back. I'm going to start with my lids, my eyes. I'm going to start off by using Pillow, that shade there, and I'm just going to make this my transition shade.
I went to the Blue Mountains last weekend because it was my friend's daughter's 3rd birthday. It was so much fun. I missed her a lot. We met at an acting course that I did, and we became really close friends. I just clicked with her. But the sad thing is she lives in the Blue Mountains or around the Blue Mountains area, so I don't really get to see her that often, but it was really nice of her to invite me to her daughter's birthday, and also I went to her son's birthday, which was at the beginning of the year.
Maybe I'll use this one. It's called Pom Pom, so I'll go in with Pom Pom. Wonder why their baby hairs haven't grown for basically their whole life. It's so strange. Now I'm going to go into this really bright pink. This is my favorite color out of the whole palette. It's called Bikini.
And this is just going to go here. Oh my god, that looks so good. I love pink.
Pink just makes me so happy.
At least I have pink in my life.
I'm going to use that first same brush and go back into that first color. I'm just going to blend out this top bit here. This one called Bubblegum.
Wow, that's really bright.
I also have this Milk Makeup little stick. It's a strobing stick. It's like an iridescent purplish. I don't know if you can see that.
I sort of like that. It gives an interesting hue. Interesting glow on top.
And this is a crease. I think I want to try a straight cut for the eyeshadow instead of a blowout look. So it doesn't matter if the outsides are messy because I'm going to clean that up after. That was my friend, she was messaging me. Also, Emily says hi. You don't know who Emily is probably, but she says hey. Stop, Emily. Stop distracting me from my duties. Gosh. I love you, Emily, by the way. I'm going to use the same iridescent purpley color. So just highlight my brow bone. We're gonna clean it up. Be very gentle with your skin, don't pull too hard. And I'm just gonna swipe in a upwards diagonal motion just to make my eyes look like they're going upwards like that. So now it's time for face. I'm just gonna moisturize my skin. I'm going to conceal my under eyes. I usually use, it's dirty so I won't show you the inside, but it's L'Oreal. So I've got a few spots there, and also I just have some acne scarring. I don't even need to mention that pink is my favorite color because I'm sure it's clear that pink is my favorite color. I don't know if this is my correct shade. We shall find out. So I use this foundation, which is the Dream Makeup Mousse. I usually put like about 2 pumps, and then I go in with a brush because I really hate when there's too much foundation and it looks caked on. So I just stipple it all over my face. Now we're going to do concealer under the eyes. I'm going to get my trusty little, cute little rose mirror. It's one of these like, shoot. Under the eyes. Perfect, that's all I need. Now let's get more color. I'm going to put more color under my eye. I'm only gonna line my lash line just to blend in my strip lash when I glue it on. One last thing before I put my lashes on, I'm gonna put a coat of mascara on just so they blend in with the lashes. Pretty sure the inner corner of this one is going to peel off, so let's quickly finish off this look before my eyelashes fall off. It's so cute. I need to bring this out next time I go out. So if you didn't watch my previous video, it looks like that. It's so cute. I love it so much. Oh, it's broken. Oh no, I spilled it. Oh dang it. Where's my rubbish bin? Crisis. Oh no. Whatever. I'll have to get that afterwards. Oh, when did that break? Oh no. Oh, okay, I'm just spilling it everywhere.
So I'm just going to warm my face up. Not that it needs any more yellow because this foundation isn't the best match. Now blush, my favorite part. This blush is a little bit on the orangey side. It's called Pool Float. So I think I might use this, my Christian Dior one, which is my favorite one at the moment. It's a little bit more pink since we are doing a pink look. Now I'm lying on a cold hard ground. Oh, 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 trouble, trouble, trouble.
You see that? It's like a random strand. But it's I'm just gonna stop there. Now I'm gonna do highlighter. So highlighter, same thing. I'm gonna use that iridescent violet or iridescent purplish color that I used on my eyes. So let's just put some moisture.
And we have to finish off out in a corner. Wow.
That's all I gotta say is wow. Let's do our eyebrows now.
A little bit more filled in than I would usually do.
Wow, look at that brown. I think the last thing we have to do after is our lips. So we're almost done, guys.
Cute little Mickey Mouse bag.
This whole bag has lipsticks in it. And I really don't wear lipstick. I wear lip balm, I wear lip gloss, but lipstick, not really. So this is a chance for me to use up my lipsticks, which is why I want to do more makeup looks, because I have tons of makeup that I can use. Well, not tons, but just more than I reach for. So I do actually have this lip color here. So it's actually this pink color, which matches my eyes. It's in the color 575 Cherry Pink. So we could either go a full pink. I've got a pink lip gloss. This is just some random one from Kmart. I'm interested to see what the pink one looks like, so let's put on the pink one. It's literally like a Barbie doll pink. Let's try it with a little bit of gloss. Guys, I actually love this look. I feel like I'm going to like a 50s costume party or something. So I'll just style my hair quickly. So I'll pull some strands out maybe. And then we've got this. like that. That looks interesting. So I'm just gonna clip these at the back then. Bada bing, bada boom. That's what the back looks like. It probably looks super duper messy. I've chosen this random hairstyle. I actually really like it. Oh, I'm so happy with this look. Wow, it's so pink. You know what? I'm just gonna quickly put on a top that I have since we're going full pink. I might as well put this top on, so I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. Look how cute this top is. Should we do those like stereotypical makeup guru poses? Ready? Look how cute it is. I really love this top. It's a little crop top. It's so cute. It's got like these puff sleeves, and you can wear it up the shoulder, you can wear it on the shoulder. It's a little bit cold, so I have it on the shoulder. I feel like this top just really ties it in and makes the eye makeup not too much. It just makes sense, you know. I feel like that gypsy in the Hunchback of Notre Dame. You could also add some glasses. Oh, they're all foggy. I also have these other pink ones since we're on the road of pink. I have these ones. I don't know which one look better. Ooh, these ones look cool. I really hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. I really enjoyed this because I love pink. I love pink so much. It makes me so happy. It just makes me happy. Let me put these ones on. I'm just going to play dress up while I do the outro. Anyways, yeah, so if you haven't seen my previous makeup video, I'll link it up there. Make sure to look at that one. So I guess that's all. I hope you have a lovely day wherever it is that you are, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!
Emily the poop says, hey, by the way, it's not that hard. Emily's tongue, I guess, is inferior, maybe. Oh my god, something's in my eye. No!